Okay, so this is part two, and I want you to see that we were talking about this box, okay, or a box like this, right? We could have this as a first option, that audio sound will come. If audio sound, it doesn't need to be labeled like this, but I'm just giving you as this example. Audio 1 could talk about something else related to Mary, but it doesn't read forward in the box. With audio 2, when this is not, so this is like separate. If you have one button here and you have one button there and they're separate from each other, so I'm giving these colors as examples to say that they're separate so you understand. So we could have audio 1 that talks about Mary in this detail. We could have a line 2. So line 1 would start from line 1. The first line would read it out in the first audio form, like the scripts you had in the code for that. I'm pretty sure it's like in these things of what the word will say. For line 1, Mary took something the other day when clicked. So you can have, maybe you can have a click button in the inside of the audio, like inside the audio click button, but this could be a click button for this to happen. So if this was a button for this, and this was another button for this. Line 2, so we can get down to talking about line 2. Line 2, Mary did something and found something the next time she came around. So similar context, but explained in a different way. So that could be rewording something in a different way. I'm sorry about what happened to the audio too, but do you get the idea? So I'm pretty sure you would get the idea of how that works and what I kind of want you to kind of understand regarding that. So what else can we do about the project? So if you Google, so this game is called Chat Palace. Google that. You know, I can show you the example in context and in another time or another video. So I've explained what happens to playing as a shape or an object and turning into another object, and we want, so the next part is to work in rooms. So we have to kind of go through the room. So if we do enter the room, so there is a room for that as well. So the room would have, so you might enter this space or this portal, or something that's going to be shaped like a portal as well. So we can just have something. So even if that's the house of itself, we can enter it. We can even enter this thing, this rectangle, which would represent as a portal. It could be invisible or visible, or like the MapleStory portal. So it will take you to another map location, MapleStory portal idea. So we do have the portal. So that would be part of that as well. So that could be part of the MapleStory portal. We can design it in a certain way, but it is located for where it is as well. So that will be that. We have, let's see if this file can combine with the inventory system as well. Everything from a line of code or about something else, but